Hi, welcome to We Play Along. My name is Georgia, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to sing the song called Love in Any Language. And this was requested by a wonderful woman I met up in Quartz Hills Library. Her name's Deanna. Hey, Deanna. And so here we go. Here's the instruction.
We play along, come on and play along. We play along, come on and play along. We play along, and you can play along too.
Okay, now there's a lot of words in this song. So here we go. This is the chorus. Love in any, and for any you're going to make a fist and then come on down. Okay, so it's going to be any. Language, you're going to do L hands and you kind of swoop them down. This is a sign for language. Straight from. So for from, you're going to make an X hand and a pointer finger, and you're going to come off that pointer finger from the heart. Just trace a little heart. Pull, pulls us. So you're going to scoop your hand. If it was a we, you would do a pointer finger, but us and our is a flat hand. Pulls us all. So you like scoop it up. For together, you're going to put your fists together and kind of circle them around. Never, never. And when you do never, you kind of have to shake your head like never. And then put your hands together and pull them apart. This is a sign for apart. And once we learn. So for learn, it's like you taking it out of a book and putting it in your head. Okay? Once we learn to speak it, you're going to come off your mouth, like this is the same for talk or speak. All the world. Now for world, you're going to make W hands. And the top one's going to go around the bottom one. All the world will hear love in any language. Fluently, I'm not going to sign that one. Spoken. And then you can go here. You can go here. Doesn't matter. You know, so sometimes I'll end up doing this and sometimes I'll end up doing that. So anyway, you can pick whichever way you want. All right, now we're going to do the verses. Okay, the sounds, so you take your fist and you're going to come off your ear. The sounds are all as different. You take your pointy fingers as the lands. And for land, you're going to like you have dirt on your hands and circle it around. The lands from which they came, and though our, now for words, you're going to make the letter G and tap your index finger. So our words are all. Now for unique, you're going to take your pointer finger and pull it up like the one and only. All unique. Our hearts are still the same. Now same, you're going to make a Y hand and you're going to like point to yourself and point away. Because that's true, our hearts are all the same. We, now teach, you're going to take your hand like off a book and put it up to your head. We teach the young. Now young refers to children. So it's like you're patting the tops of their heads. Our differences, yet look. So you point your eyes and you're going to look around. But look how we're the same. We love to laugh. And at laugh, you make L hands and you're going to come off your mouth. And you need to smile because laughing is happy, right? We love, okay, so we love to laugh, to dream. So you can take, I like this, a cute sign. You're going to take your pointer finger off your head and kind of wiggle it because it's like this woo thing coming out of your head. Dream, our dreams, we know. And for know, you're going to put all your fingers to your head because you know it. If you think it, it's only one finger. But if you know it, it's all your fingers to your forehead. We know the sting of pain. So this is a sign for hurt or ouch. Okay, pain. So now the next little segment is from Leningrad to Lexington. Okay, I don't know the signs for those, so we're just going to sing those. Okay, from Leningrad to Lexington, the farmer. Now, this is a sign for farm because this is where we get our food. So you're going to drag your thumb underneath your chin. So this is farm, and then we come down for the person part. So farmer loves his land. Remember land, the dirt in the area. And daddies is sign for daddy. You're going to make a 5 hand and come up to your forehead and tap it twice. Daddies get all misty-eyed, like crying, to give, 2 X fingers coming out, their daughter. Now for daughter, you're going to do the sign for girl and baby. Hands, and you're going to wipe your hands like this, okay? Then we have the next verse. Oh, maybe when. So when you take your pointer finger and you're going to take your other index finger and you're going to circle around. It's like a clock. When we. Now realize it starts with the letter R. So you're going to come up to your forehead and kind of circle it around because it's like, ooh, I know, I'm realizing this. I'm thinking about this. How much there is to share. For share, you make a hand like with your thumb up and you're going to swing it back and forth. We'll find, it's like you're finding something. Too much in common. Common means the same as same, so we're going to do that same sign. To pretend. So it's a 4 hand and you're going to kind of shake it off your head. Pretend it isn't, the sign for not there. Though the rhetoric, so we're going to use the same sign for talk, rhetoric of government. So you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to point and then you're going to switch it and you're going to go out again. Okay, government may keep us, so it's going to put your thumbs together, keep us worlds apart. There's no misunderstanding. Now for actually this word is misinterpreting, but we're going to use the sign for misunderstanding. So misinterpreting, you make a V and then you're going to flip it because it's like, uh-oh, made a mistake. But there's no misunderstanding the language of the heart. Okay, so there are lots of words in this song. So go back and practice it. You know, practice all the words, and when you get them down, then you'll be ready to sing and sign along. All right? So if you have any other requests for songs, let us know. I mean, Deanna asked me to do this. It was, a long time ago. It was last June when I met her. So it took me a while. We found the song, and so send us your comments and your requests. Okay?
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play